Read the first two paragraphs of Latin aloud. Eheu mortis est Modesius, inquit Nigrinia, lacrimius est dedit, alios nihil locutus, testamentarium modesti querebat, amicum fortitium, emisiums, inquit Publicius, nobis decorum est eu magno cum honore spelere. Identify a verb for each of the following forms. Imperfect subjunctive, querebat and ferebat. Pluperfect subjunctive, imperavit and inserit. Find an example of a sentence using a gerundive and translate it into English. I have no idea what a gerundive is, so I can skip that one. Find an example of an indirect command or an indirect question in Latin. Identify which one is being used in the sentence. And I said that nollis clamore is a direct command. Identify a sentence with a result clause or a purpose clause. Identify which is being used in the sentence. And I said, lacrimius se dedit is a result clause. And then for find an example of a cum clause and translate it, I have no idea what a cum clause is, so I didn't do that one. And then number 7 is find an example of the following participles and identify the noun to which each is referring. For present active participle, I put modestus and cubiculum. For perfect passive participle, I put modestum and servos. And for perfect active participle, I put amiri and servi. And for answering the following questions, which is number 9, A is hearing about the deaths of Modestius. What do each of the following characters say or do? Nigrinia cries. Elius doesn't believe Nigrinia when she says that he's dead, so he goes to look for the body, and Plebisius wants to bury him. And then B is in lines 7 through 9, what do Polybius and his servants have trouble doing and why? They have trouble burying the body because it is heavy. C is in lines 12 through 13, what happens after Styrithio returns to the bedroom? He heard a noise. In lines 16 through 18, why does Nigrina say that Modestius is a ghost? Because he is dead, and then she saw him move. What does Modestius admit at the end of the story? He pretended to be dead, but he is actually sick.